In order to demonstrate some complex ideas on how DNA sequences can be used to classify relationships between organisms, I'd like to simplify it a bit. Let's imagine that the last common ancestor of metazoans possessed this sequence, which was then passed down to its Cnidarian descendants and its bilaterian descendants. Of course, mutations occur from time to time, and thus there are changes in these lineages. But one can distinguish between them because bilaterians will all share changes that cnidarians lack and vice versa. As the last common ancestor of nephrozoans evolved, additional changes occurred in the DNA. And then after the split between protostomes and deuterostomes, additional changes would be specific to the deuterostome lineage and specific to the protostome lineage. But one could measure relationships between these groups based on which changes they shared and the number of changes which had accumulated between them. The longer the time span between the separation of two lineages, the more mutations would have accumulated in this sample sequence between them.